Let us consider one more multiple choice question. Order of reactivity among the three, Roman 1, 2, 3, among these three, what will be the order of reactivity for SN1 reaction? If it is SN1, it means that first breaking heterolysis giving rise to, for SN1, first is carbon halogen, means here it is bromine, first heterolysis giving rise to carbonium ion, and carbonium ion, positively charged carbon, sp2 hybridized, and then attack of nucleophile. It is SN1, two step. First step is breaking, then attack of nucleophile. In SN2, it is simultaneous, attack of nucleophile, one nucleophile enters and another nucleophile goes out with the electron pair. So, if these three take part in SN1 reaction, it can be attack of OH minus ion, it can be alkoxide ion, or it can be like what we have considered just now, methyl acetylide. Any strong nucleophile, if it attacks, and if these three reactants, if they are going to take part as per SN1, what will be the order is the question. So, we should be knowing the mechanism in SN1, like what I have just told you, heterolysis giving rise to carbonium ion, stability of carbonium ion is important. It is intermediate, not reactant, or not, neither it is reactant nor product, it is intermediate. More the stability of carbonium ion, let me represent carbonium ion in this fashion, positive charge, 3 bond pairs. More the stability of carbonium ion among the possible options, more tendency to follow SN1 reaction mechanism. So, if we consider that, so this much we should be knowing, and now we will therefore, in this among the three options, first breaking, which is a slow step giving rise to carbonium ion. So, among the carbonium ions, after heterolysis of all the three, the carbonium ion which we will get, which among the three carbonium ions, the three options, is most stable and which one is least? Order. If this gets converted into carbonium ion, let me write it here. Bromine goes out in the form of Br minus ion. That will take place in all the cases. Double bond, same thing, and one hydrogen atom is there. It is not written in bond line structure every time. Bromine goes out in the form of Br minus ions, therefore, positive charge is there. Let me show carbonium ion for this also. This is for second option. For first one, the carbonium ion, let me write it here. Bromine will go out in the form of Br minus ions, same pattern. So, I will not repeat it. Double bond, positive charge. This is for 1, Roman 1, and for this carbon bromine bond, bromine goes out in the form of Pr minus ions, carbonium ion. So, SN1 reaction passes through carbonium ion, that is a slow step. More the stability of carbonium ion, more will be the tendency of that reaction to pass through the carbonium ion, means SN1. Now, if you compare, oxygen is part of the ring, although there are two lone pairs on oxygen, one lone pair oxygen sp3 hybridized, one lone pair will be part of the ring, can be part of the ring for conjugation. If one lone pair becomes part of the conjugation, another lone pair cannot, because sp3 hybridization expected ideal is 109, all we have considered H2O formation. So, if you follow that, lone pair sigma pi, pi sigma lone pair sigma pi. So, there is a conjugation, that is one thing. And this empty orbital, this pi can get transmitted here, positive charge will be developed here. The positive charge which gets developed, the lone pair can form a shared pair. So, various resonating forms are possible for this carbonium ion. Now, this various resonating forms, we are now used to it, and therefore, I feel that I should not show it here. Just I will explain in a bit haste. Pi bond, if it gets shared between this carbon and this empty orbital, positive charge is expected here. The lone pair then will get shared here. Or this pi bond, if it gets shared here, positive charge will be developed here, lone pair and empty orbital, it will get. So, these are the various resonating forms which are possible, because of which this carbonium ion is this entity where one carbon is in the form of carbonium ion is stable, and this is one reason. The major reason here is this fits into formula of this carbonium ion, this entity species fits into the formula of aromatic species, because for a substance to be aromatic, what we have learned earlier, it should be planar, in a plane, conjugation, double, single, double, alternate double bond, single, double, or lone pair, sigma bond, pi bond, conjugation, isn't it? Pi, sigma, lone pair, sigma, pi, there is a conjugation. And planar conjugation 4n plus 2 pi electrons, n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. If n equal to 1 is filled, then we get 6. So, 2, these 2 pi electrons, these 2, 4, and this electron pair. Since this electron pair, when this pi gets converted into, gets transmitted here, this lone pair forms a pi bond. Therefore, this has pi character. Therefore, this lone pair should be considered in that formula, but we cannot consider this lone pair, because out of 2, only one lone pair can be part of conjugation. So, 6 electrons, if you fill n equal to 1, 4n plus 2, that gets fulfilled. Therefore, this is aromatic. So, it is more stable. There is conjugation, resonating forms, and dominant factor here, extra factor, aromatic nature. What about this? This carbonium ion, this pi bond can get shifted here, giving rise to now this pi bond can get shifted here, positive charge will develop here. I will not show all the resonating forms, but this carbocation fits into a formula. This is for aromatic anti-aromatic. The set or the conditions for a substance species, it can be molecular, it can be ion, it can be positively charged ion or negatively charged ion or a molecule. Whatever we have seen for aromatic, all the factors except 4n pi electrons, instead of 4n plus 2, if it is 4n pi electrons or else planar, alternate double single, pi sigma pi or lone pair sigma pi, conjugation, planar, ring, that is there, it is also applicable here, cyclic, but the only difference is this 4n pi electrons, n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 number. If a molecule or ion, cation or anion, if it fits into planar, conjugation, ring, but the pi electrons which are involved in resonating forms, if the number fits into this formula 4n, then it is anti-aromatic. Aromatic, those species which fit into aromatic are highly stable, and those which fit into formula of anti-aromatic, the parameters, the only difference is this 4n pi electrons should be equal to, should fit into 4n. They are highly unstable, and remaining which do not fit into this or this, they are not aromatic, non-aromatic. The stability is in between, means highest stability is for aromatic, then non-aromatic means which are not aromatic, and last is anti-aromatic. Anti-aromatic. This cation n equal to 1 will give rise to 4 pi electrons. In various resonating forms, there are always 4 pi electrons. So, this is anti-aromatic, means unstable. This is aromatic, stable. What about this option? This carbocation, okay. This can get shifted here. If this pi bond gets shifted here, the positive charge will get transmitted here. So, as compared to this one is stable, because positive charge is here at a time, and when this pi gets transmitted here, positive charge goes here. So, positive charge, because of resonating forms, this one is stable. So, if we follow these points, highest stability will be for this, number 1, least will be for this anti-aromatic, and therefore, this will be in between. So, Roman 2, 1 and means 2 highest stability, 2 number will be for this and least will be for this. So, as per that 2, 1 and 3 means this is our answer. Means what? The order of stability of carbocation will be this, and therefore, more the stability of carbocation means most stable carbocation is this, means this compound will follow SN1 reaction easily, and the order